If you want to get the most out of your Fujifilm X100 Mark VI in 2025, you've come to the right place. From improved handling to weather protection, we're diving into the best accessories you need for a better shooting experience. Stick around to find out which ones truly elevate your setup. Number 1. Haoge THB-X2S Metal Hot Shoe Thumb Rest. This clip-on thumb grip for the Fujifilm X100 Mark VI enhances ergonomics and stability, making the camera more comfortable to hold for extended periods. It seamlessly slots into the accessory shoe without any complex installation, instantly improving grip whether shooting horizontally or vertically. Beyond function, it adds a retro touch, mimicking the film advance lever of vintage cameras, subtly reinforcing the X100 Mark VI's classic aesthetic. However, the main downside is that it occupies the accessory shoe, limiting your ability to mount other accessories like an LED light or microphone. For those prioritizing handling and style, this thumb grip is a valuable addition, but multitaskers who rely on multiple attachments should consider this trade-off. Number 2. SmallRig L-Shape Grip. This is a must-have for Fujifilm X100 Mark VI users seeking improved handling and comfort. While the X100 Mark VI's design is sleek and compact, its minimal grip can feel restrictive, especially for those with larger hands or during extended shoots. This accessory enhances ergonomics by adding depth and height to the grip, providing a more secure and natural hold. Beyond comfort, SmallRig integrates practical features. The grip's base is Arca Swiss compatible, allowing seamless tripod mounting without an extra plate. Additionally, the soft touch shutter release button enhances the shooting experience with a more tactile and responsive feel. These small but meaningful upgrades make a noticeable difference in usability. For photographers wanting better stability without compromising portability, this grip is a smart, well-designed addition to the X100 Mark VI. Number 3. Fujifilm Weather-Resistant Kit. It's important to note that this isn't a comprehensive weatherproofing solution for the Fujifilm X100 Mark VI, but rather a lens-specific protective kit. This setup offers moderate protection for the front element of your lens, which is often the most vulnerable part of the camera. While it won't make the entire camera body weather-sealed, it significantly reduces the risk of damage from dust, moisture, and minor impacts. The kit includes 2 components: the ARX100 adapter ring and the PRF49S protective filter. The adapter ring allows for the attachment of a 49mm filter, as the X100 Mark VI lacks a native filter thread. When both parts are mounted, they provide effective protection, ensuring the lens stays safe from everyday hazards. This added layer of protection can greatly extend the lifespan of your lens, especially in unpredictable environments. Number 4. MegaGear Genuine Leather Camera Case. Remember those classic ever-ready cases once associated with film cameras, often humorously called never ready due to their bulky design? MegaGear has brought them back with a stylish twist, offering leather camera cases custom-fitted for specific models like the Fujifilm X100 Mark VI. Available in black or a rich vintage brown, these cases complement the X100 Mark VI's timeless design while offering practical protection. The case is cleverly designed in 2 parts. The top cover detaches easily to transform it into a half case. This setup protects the camera from scratches and impacts while keeping the controls, screen, and lens accessible. The bottom panel features a hinged flap with a popper for quick access to the battery and memory card, enhancing convenience. Combining style and function, this case is ideal for photographers seeking protection without sacrificing usability or aesthetics. Number 5. Haoge Square Metal Lens Hood. Nothing captures retro quite like a classic rectangular lens hood. Popularized by Leica during the film photography era, these hoods not only evoke a vintage charm but also offer practical benefits. Because a camera's sensor captures a rectangular image, these hoods effectively block unwanted light, reducing flare and enhancing image contrast more efficiently than round hoods. The Haoge rectangular lens hood embraces this vintage look while incorporating modern upgrades. It features a black felt lining inside to prevent internal reflections that could affect image quality. Additionally, Haoge includes an adapter designed to fit the Fujifilm X100 Mark VI's lens. So, Which is the best accessory for the Fujifilm X100VI? After testing them all, the SmallRig L-shaped grip comes out on top. It provides superior ergonomics and enhances stability, making it the perfect addition to your gear. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.